IUPixel, again, just kind of, it was a kind of really a great week for them and all they're doing with their, with their, like I said, with the contest that
Competition,
it's awesome, man. It's really drawing some eyeballs and everything. So, if July 16th, if you were to purchased it, it was 27 cents. It did go up to 28 cents. Not 28. I'm sorry. It's 0.027, Tim, and that's 2 cents. So it's going up from 0.027 to 0.028, up 0.0017 from a week ago. If you brought $100 of Pixel on July 16th, you'd have 3,676 pixels, and it'd be worth $106 today if you sold them. There are 395 Pixel token holders, up from 6. They have added 6 people to the pools, 398 Pixel token holders. IUPixel has a total market cap of $6,580,364. Their market cap has stayed flat. It's still at a zero across the thing, or from at least the market cap, right? On July 10th, IUPixel started the NFT Championship contest. To enter, you would have to just post your best NFT on the Ethereum blockchain and the address. They've added and it's been a great turnout, everybody. You can't do it now. I mean, it's on their way. It's doing its thing. But that's what was started, and it's really been cool because it's been drawing some stuff here. Here on July 19th, semifinal matchup number 1, right, is at Paul Currix and verse at Triple Art. Congratulations to Paul Crew, and he's in there now, right? Everybody check it out. He won match number 1 of the semifinals. Special thanks to Triple Art for giving us a thrill with such an amazing battle. It was a cool battle. These artworks are really neat, and like I said, this is just because it's Paul got this NFT, and this is from the Wafu group. So very cool. Semifinals on July 19th. All right, this is Josh Mims or Mims Crypto versus Jack's Stick Candle. Congratulations to Mims Crypto. He won match number 2 of the semifinal. Special thanks to Jack Stick Candle for giving us such an awesome and cool battle. Almost 500 votes, right, in 24 hours. The hashtag NFT community, it's awesome. It's amazing. And even too, Jack, awesome guy, coming over and kind of now, in our community and brought some other people over. It's really cool how this space works together and, good sports and things. Not like you see in some other sports, right? So really cool. Let's see here. Last night, this was the awesome, like Tim. He's like the Oprah last night. Timio. That's why we're calling him Timio. Last night, July 22nd, the final matchup started for NFT Championship prize. The winner could receive up to 2 ETH in Pixel tokens based on the amount of votes the championship receives. The base price is 0.2 ETH in Pixel tokens. And I know we'll reach that if you can kind of see the breakdown, everybody. It's right here. 500, the milestones to get 2 ETH. 500 votes, 0.2. 1,000 votes, 0.2. 5,000. And it just keeps going up, 0.2 ETH, everybody. You can add with retweets. If they get 1,000 retweets, that's another 0.2. 3,000, 1,000 comments, another 0.2 ETH. So what's kind of trying? We need to get 10,000 votes for you to get all of the ETH over here. You need to get 1,000 or 3,000 retweets to get all the ETH over here. And we need 10,000 comments to get all the ETH over here. If we get that, that's a full-on 2 ETH that's going to be given away in prizes. This is an awesome contest, everybody. And the graphics, excellent. Good stuff. Here's what the first NFT. You got
good question. You're saying that that's prize money to the 2 guys battling out with the NFTs,
right?
Not to the contestants, not to the fans tweeting and everything else, but the fans who go back and comment on Austin's video last night. We gave away a lot of M2 last night. We're giving away OS and Austin also. I think his top was 5,000 comments. We'll have to double check with him, but he's given away a whole lot of M2, which I hope he wrote down somewhere, because I don't want to say the amount, but it was more than I gave away last night.
It was.
And it's going to be very exciting. So there is a chance for the people who are voting and retweeting and all that kind of stuff. You can win yourself. This is the competition to the winners prize money. But if you like and comment on Austin's video last night, you'll have a chance to win yourself. And the hashtag is bees versus bees, like we're doing today. But that's for your prize amount of how much today?
Today's 5,000 M2.
5,000 M2. I only have 15 entries. So where's everybody else? Because we got more than 15 people watching this. So that's want to say, people, let's go. There's M2 on the table.
Do they have to put it capitals like that? Capital B's?
Yeah, just like this.
Okay.
This way,
right.
I
got you.
Capital B, capital E, just the way you see it there is just the way it's on my screen. So carry on. But that's what you're going to win today. But there's more to win for viewers and people who are fans to win for next week.
All I'm saying is get used to this, guys. This is I guess you could say a nugget alert, because this is going to be much more often and a lot more things involved. So this is what it's all about. This is crypto, everybody. We're not doing airdrops or anything like that. We're going to be doing like awesome giveaways. So that's what it's all about. Here's where the first NFT World Championship stands. We're in the finals, baby. What is that guy? It was that basketball guy. That's what he always say. But this is the brackets, right? It went down from there, and now it's
Dick Vitale.
Dick Vitale
going to the big dance.
Dickie V. That's right.
There
it's the finals, baby. Yeah.
There you go.
That's right. But this is it. Mims Crypto versus Paul Crook. And I apologize, Paul, if I'm obviously saying your names.
PK. Back. He goes by PK.
PK. So yeah, it's PK versus Mims Crypto, right? And if you haven't voted, you need to head over to IUPixel's Twitter and get your votes in there, right? Because again, cool art, and it's all about these NFT championship, and you want to be a part of it. This is the first ever, right? This is gonna be like the first Super Bowl, Tim.
Yep.
And
Super Bowl #1, and it's gonna live on forever. The winner, the champion, he's gonna have the first NFT winner. It's gonna be that it will definitely make it a collector's item.
Absolutely.
So very, very cool.
Yep. This is a warning message, right? And this is from IUPixel. They posted this today. On July 22nd, IUPixel tweeted a warning message to point out that this was going on. This is scams, people. This is what people are doing now. The message was to be careful when you log in. Today, I searched for OpenSea in Google and opened one of the first results. Luckily, I looked at the URL bar before I connected my wallet. Listen, everybody, you can Google OpenSea, and the first thing that you see may be an ad. And if you click on it, anybody could buy that ad. And you go and connect your wallet, you could lose everything in your wallet. And this is what this is what they wanted to put out there, right? You gotta pay attention in this space. There's a lot of scammers, a lot of this nefarious kind of stuff going on, and you gotta just double check. Be careful what you're doing. Don't Google things. Know where you're going. If you have an address that you're going to because you're going to connect your wallet, you need to put the address up here and know it, not Google it, right? That's the easiest way. Listen, the weakest thing in this whole blockchain space is you, is the person, right? We're the ones that are going to make mistakes. These smart contracts don't make mistakes. So be careful. That was the kind of warning message that they wanted to put out, IUPixel. So,
Ray, you ever carry a wallet around with cash?
I do.
And sometimes, you go in a store and it's perfect habit that, if you're going to take your wallet out and start counting your money at the cash register or whatever, you take a look around, see who's around you, so that they don't see how much money you got in your wallet. It's just natural when you're out to, cover up what you've gotten in your wallet, right? I mean, people whip out credit cards like it's no big deal because they have insurance on them, right? So if you drop your card and somebody goes charging stuff, you go, hey, I didn't charge that. That's not mine. And they give you your money back. But if you have cash in your wallet, you're walking around with, a couple $100 or whatever you got, you look over your shoulder going, you know, who's eyeing me just because I take my wallet out of my pocket. So you got to think the same way. When you connect your wallet to a site, you have to double check and make sure that it's not some creep that made www-open. It's not even open. It's, you know, that's something gibberish. But it looks, he's just standing in the way going, hey, you know, I'll take it. You know, this looks good, but don't make that mistake. You know, look around, look twice, and be careful.
Yep. That's what it's all about, man, because this is the wild, wild west, everybody. That's why we have Be Social. So you can be, you know, we have your back. We're protecting you, each other, right?